Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a while, and there's some things I wanted to go over because there's been quite a few changes recently. So I haven't updated you on the cars in a while, and I figured this would be a good time to do so. Or sort of. It's just going to be a quick little review of what's going on. So behind me, we have the 03 Old Stang. It's my V6 with 250,000 miles on it. I barely drive it anymore because the strut towers are all rusted out, as I mentioned in a previous video. But I did do something to it to kind of help prolong it. So I had coilovers on it in the front for a while, and you really can't see anything in here. Basically, I took the cut springs out that I had because I found some H&R Super Sports on eBay for a hell of a deal, and I couldn't pass it up. So I put those on. This one's just sitting at my parents' at the moment because I gotta get in here and fix the strut towers or sell it, which I'll explain later. I really want to repaint the whole car with grabber green still, and yeah, eventually do the LS swap or the 7.3 Godzilla swap possibly, or whatever swap I'm feeling that day. So you're up to speed on that. It's just kind of been sitting off to the side for a while while I figure some things out, and I'll get to it when I get to it. And here we have the GT, the 2012. It still doesn't have the headers on it. I do have the Shelby mufflers on it still, and I love it. With gas prices as high as they are for premium, it just kind of, I can't justify driving it everywhere, so it has a roof over it. The hood needs repainted right now, and new vinyl needs to go on. And it's not hurting it to sit here for now until I get back to it, which I'll get to it eventually. I got a big show coming up next month, so I'll be driving it again for a little bit, and I'm excited about that. My daily, which isn't here, I got off my grandpa last October, September or October of last year. It's an '01 Mercury Sable. I'm loving having having an actual daily for now that just runs on regular gas. It's automatic. Cassie can drive it if she needs to. She can drive manual, but kind of stresses her out because she doesn't do it all the time. So it's nice to have another car she can drive if anything happens with her cruise. So that's been a great car. There's not much else to say about it at the moment. I haven't done anything to it except for a coolant reservoir. But now we're on to the next project that I picked up. I'm telling myself that this is justified because I need it around the house, but also because I really, really have always wanted one of these. So here's my new to me 2004 Z71 Silverado 1500. It has a 6-inch FabTech lift on it. And you can tell by the gap here, we also have a 3-inch body lift. Now the rockers are a little rusty, typical of this generation. Well, we're sitting on a 35. And here's the beautiful thing, we got 4-wheel drive. I've always kind of wanted one of these cat eye Silverados for a long time. This one, it definitely needs a little bit of love, and I plan on giving it a lot of attention here soon. I have steps for it because I'm a short bastard and I can't keep throwing myself up in there. But the problem is the cab mount bolts are all real rusty, and I'm afraid of breaking them off. If you do break them off, then you have to cut part of the floor out on the inside, bust the nut off in there, and then put new hardware in, and then weld it back down, which is a little bit outside of my realm of expertise. So we're waiting on that one until later. I definitely need to get tires on it and figure out, I'm over here right now actually, so I can get it lifted up a little bit and see if it's something in the front end that's causing this big shake I got. And I think one of the rear calipers might be sticking a little bit. But like I said, it's a work in progress. This thing sat since, well, sat for as long as I've had the 2012 Mustang actually, because it was around the same time, I guess. That one's actually been sitting for about as much time, except for like 6 months. It's definitely in good shape for what it is, and I think that it's going to turn out really good. I got a little bit of work I got to do with the rust and stuff, but I do have a toolbox. Even though it's standard cab, I will have some storage. And other great thing with this is it's an 8-foot bed, so I can actually haul stuff in it, which is great. I'm excited to see where this one goes. So that's just a quick rundown of what's going on. I got a bunch of projects I'm working on at the house and everywhere else. I'm doing a lot of stuff right now, and it's keeping me really busy, so I haven't been able to post many videos or edit and upload anything in a while, and it sucks because I miss doing it. I really wanted to take YouTube seriously and see where I could go with it, but right now it's just kind of, when I get to it, I get to it. And yeah, so we'll just see where it goes. I'm in no rush to push out more content right away. I just gotta focus on me, focus on my wife, our cats, all our ducks and chickens. Like we have a lot of stuff that I need to update you guys about. So anyways, if you guys are interested in the project car addiction that I have right now, please stay tuned and stick around for more whenever I get to it. So anyways, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So take care, have a great rest of your day. See ya.